be here today with another perfect video. We got these Fidget spinners. Heaps of people in our school have it all over the internet. I did a video on this with my channel. We're getting another one on eBay. Obviously, you can see I got the most colourful one out of us three. My brother has it as well. Oh, that's a good idea. We have to take this off.
No, this fell out.
Oh, no. Do the other one. So
why did you take that out? No, it fell.
Mine was so hard to take.
Wait, my brother's thing fell out of his thing. Sorry.
My brother's thing fell out of his
Wait, okay, come on. That time. So he's our beautiful timer, which is very helpful. It's my brother's.
Spin, look. When it's got the two.
By the way, our name is Gold.
Huh?
Huh?
My name's not Gold.
Well, Zach, if you want yours to get out. So these are pretty easy to come out. Not these. Oh my god.
Like
These for me are really hard to get out.
Whoa, that feels so weird.
Can somebody help me? Wait, you can't help me. Oh, I'm so funny.
What?
Okay.
Go back in.
So wait.
Who wants that whitefish?
Not me. Not me. So we just had dinner. So yeah. And this is
fish and fish.
We had fish and
we had two lots of fish.
So this is really easy to get out, and
Noah's one is so hard to get out.
And this is plastic. If you can't see. My brother said it's plastic, so yeah, it's plastic. Alright, time with the timer. Get it? Time with the timer. Put down so if I'm not. Okay. Okay, come on. Zach.
Yes?
Timey. You're the timer too.
What is that? Come on. Alright, let's go. Let's go, Eddie.
Gale. Come on. Zach.
Alright, let's go. Go.
Probably could have done better.
I guess that was pretty good.
It's only on 7 seconds. It's only like 10 seconds.
Oh, what?
Like, obviously, mine's gonna get 1 minute and something. But, like, the exact 3 minutes is also very good.
That is like bumpy.
He's never said that.
No, you have to put back on.
I can't. This got stuck in my hair. So, yeah.
You like it?
Wow.
I can't put it on.
Oh my god, it's already slowing down. It's only on 47.
So good.
It's already on 50 seconds and it's slowing down.
Do you want yours?
I wish it's going to go to 1 minute, but my best is 1 minute and
Yes, we have to. This doesn't fit on mine.
seconds. 1 minute. 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10 seconds mine was. So 1 minute, 10 seconds.
12 seconds.
Yeah, I stopped it like 2 seconds after.
Let me try it, yeah?
Now my brother's trying to. Damn, Daniel. Oh, these fell out. Oh wait, did I even do them with this one? Yeah. Leave down the comments. I forgot. Wait,
Oh, we can't even see.
wait, I'll just try with this. Yeah, that just would scratch it. Okay, so I have to put my little caps on. And by the way, this is what it's like inside. I'm not sure if I showed
Oh my god! Why do you have to show that now?
Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you me. But this is my glasses.
Oh my god.
The cat.
Look.
Oh wait, I'll start it, okay?
Look. And
No, oh Zach, I got this one.
oh,
What about mine? Oh, Don't bump mine.
I won't try.
Don't bump mine.
What's not gonna
Bump.
bump?
Bump. Wait, that's not like. Oh, Zach, look. You see this? You could actually land it like that and like that. Wait, I'm gonna try what it's like when you spin it.
30 minutes and it's starting to slow down.
Zach, look.
I didn't do very well.
Yeah, I'm way better. No, maybe not, because mine was 1 minute 10 seconds, and so far it's this, and it's already slowing down. But I think mine will come down this time. Yeah.
Stop! 1 minute?
So I'll say stop, okay? So I'll say who spins it better. And stop.
I got 1 minute 15, so that proves that I am a better spinner than Abby. Because
I'm really bad at tricks.
tricky tricks. Hey,
my channel.
where?
Right. Abby, can I show them a trick? Alright, like, subscribe, comment down below if you have
A bum. I think
Fidget
everybody has a
spinner.
bum. I think everybody has a bum.
You
So
think?
I don't think I should have.
No, not everyone. Comment down below if you have one. You just put it in my hair. In my hair! Okay, like, subscribe, comment down below if you have one. Bye!